I'm Joel Gitonga Korea, a livestock production professional in Chanjo, Tharaka South Sub-County. Now, as pertaining the bees and the way they forage, bees, they never forage on a contaminated flora. Those are flowers. In case they meet that a flower has been contaminated, maybe as a result of spraying. At times like now, it's a spraying season for the mangoes, previously for the pigeon peas, the green grams. In case the bees come for foraging and meet that the flowers have been contaminated, they don't forage in such flowers. However, there are instances of bees being sprayed. At times when the farmer is spraying, there are some bees on the flowers. Such bees die. And if they don't, some pave their way into the hive. Those are the bees which could be contaminated and carry the contamination to the hive. However, at long last, such bees will definitely die. And if they die inside the hive, themselves, they are supposed to be pulled away by other bees during their normal cleaning. So, in the case of such contaminations, if the chemical in use was killing the bees by contact, then such bees which were used to pull the other dead bees out, both of them will definitely die. So if you visit the hive and you see that there are cluster of bees which are dying inside the hive, then there could be a farm was sprayed somewhere, some bees paved their way into the hive, and then in the bid of being pulled away by other worker bees, then they contaminated other bees and then they killed them. However, the essence of contaminating the real honey is not there, because these bees could be, they did not forage in those contaminated flowers, and the contaminated bees were not able to carry the nectar into the hive. Secondly, in case a person eats honey and then complains of a stomach discomfort or such issues, professionally, if you had eaten pure honey, such instances could not occur, because honey is in the class of reduced in sugars, which are supposed to go and in the stomach or in the body of a human being or whoever is eating that honey, and then conform to the body requirements, so that they could not cause any discomfort unto you. They are in the same class with the sugar canes and such. So much as you cannot eat a sugar cane and complain of a stomachache, still with the honey it shouldn't be like that. However, there are some instances the way we eat honey makes us complain of stomachaches. However, it has never gone to an extent of death. For one, if you eat unripe honey, what we call liquid honey, a ripe honey should be kept. If you go in the hive and then you harvest unripe honey, which we are discouraging farmers to do, but some do. If you eat unripe honey, that unripe honey has not undergone the processes the bees could like to undergo. And then what you are eating is the nectar from different flowers, and these nectars could have different aspects of discomforts which they cause to your body. So that it could be the case that people complain, I ate honey and then my stomach started aching, or I developed some lumps on the skins, such issues. But that it could be the cause.
Could it be also the death is also a result of the traditional ways? The likes of the witchcraft.
Okay, there is that is a high probability, because here in the community of Tharaka, they have those witchcraft powers to repair the leaves. So, however, we cannot prove that one professionally, because it is not provable. But then it is there. It is there in the community. If somebody goes harvesting honey from the hive which is not belonging to him, then the owner of the hive could have used those witchcraft powers to safeguard his hive. And unless now the owners of the hives proves this, Us, we cannot prove it, but it is something which happens here in this community. We are discouraging farmers to mash the honey, and this results into it act as a catalyst. So you are mixing the honey, the wax, and the propolis and the pollen. So when you mix the two, you realize there are some bubbles immediately, 5 or so minutes later. There are some bubbles from that casket of honey or from that bucket. Those bubbles tells you that there is a reaction which is taking place, which was not supposed to be. Now, if you eat that compound now, it is not honey. It's a different compound you are eating. And this is the one which will cause discomfort to you. But it has never been witnessed to go as far as causing death. The other issue is which could result to death could be if the hive was infested by a snake. There are some snakes which are in the hive. Such snakes, when they try to enter into that colonized hive, the bees will fight the snakes out. But then the snakes, because the bees are very tiny, they cannot be bitten by snakes. Then the snakes result in spitting. When they spit, that venom, it goes into the combs. Now, this venom will kill the bees, but it will remain in the comb. Now, if you come to harvest, I'm Joel Gitonga Korea, a livestock production professional in charge of Tharaka South Sub-County. Now, as pertaining the